Hi friends, welcome to EPIT Research Labs Private Limited. Today we have come with a small basic project which is 4 quadrant operation of a DC motor using chopper circuit. For this we have used I555 timers and not gate with the L298 drivers and with the switches for changing the direction of a motor. So directly let's go to the working of the project. Initially I am switching on the power supply. I have just connected an adapter. From that I am getting the power supply to the board, and we are using 12 volts for the motor and 5 volts for the complete all ICs. So initially I am switching on the supply. I want to make it to rotate in a clockwise direction, so anti-clockwise direction it is rotating. So it is like 4 quadrant operation. In anti-clockwise direction you can apply the brake and you can run it. Again you can apply the brake and you can run it. So 2 quadrants are completed. Next going to the other 2 quadrants. So for that I have applied a brake and I need to change the direction of the motor. So I am changing the direction of a motor. I have changed the direction of a motor and then I am applying the reset. You can see it is rotating to the clockwise direction and applying the brake again. So it is like you can control the, it is like we are operating a motor without using any microcontroller or any other source of controllers. We are using just a logical circuit, 555 timer, and as well as the not gate with the L298 drivers. Thank you.